little demo of the RR4 update that allows us to do rolling launch. Rolling launch, which is something new that us tuners can do for the 370Z, the BQ37 platform essentially, and it works quite well, so I'm really happy with it. Happy to share it with my customers. What we do is basically get the cruise control on, so we'll just turn it on. When you do that, all you have to do is get it right at the RPM where you need it to be. I ideally recommend it to be near 4,000 plus RPMs. You can do it around 3,500, but the higher, the better in terms of getting it near 4,000. So I've got it about 4,000 RPM right now. Cruise control's on. I'm going to hold down the cancel button and floor it, and we're going to build boost. Works quite well, so it's hard to see it, but we can basically, let's see, make 17 pounds of boost or so, give or take.